He did it. He really did it.
So now you need to make $900 for your trade, right? So you risk $900. You put $900 as the trade that you're looking to get, and you're just gonna let this bad boy ride. As you can see, Nvidia is losing steam. So if Nvidia is losing steam, we're losing steam. We don't want to see Nvidia lose steam too aggressively. You're protecting yourself to right here. You only need to make it to right there. You cut yourself off at about halfway, which is just about halfway up that wick there. You hold the modify button and you just watch. Okay, once we get to 80 cents here, we'll be at like $300. There's 200 already. Now we just need to go ahead and push on through, and you're just trying to pass your eval. You don't need a crazy amount of money. Just go past the eval. There's $300. Lock in the $300 profit. You need 2 more $300 trades. Obviously, this is going to get up above $300, right? So we're going to protect ourselves to about 25 cents. If it wants to roll to the 900, let it roll to the 900. There we go. We made $900. We just passed our eval right there. 2 more ticks. We passed our eval. We just passed a $50,000 eval that I started 5 minutes ago. You don't have to go heavy at all. That's $3,000 right there. That's how you pass your eval. You don't have to go heavy. Just be wise in when you pick your positions, and then get the momentum trades. Understand, this is 1, 2, 3 trades. We pass an eval, right? So for you guys who are like more struggling to get to these 50K evals, reduce the number of contracts. Maximum 4. You can get $1,000 at a time with just 4 contracts, right? Let's see how much you need for $1,000 move. So to get $1,000 with 4 contracts, that's a $5 move. Okay, so if you're targeting these $10 moves like you just saw me do there, you can get the $1,000 in the $5 move. We had a $4 move just now before we had a pullback, and it's just understanding. Excuse me. It's just understanding what level we're at, where we're pulling back to. You know, we're going to get even with these levels over here. Always looking to your left to take your next trade. Massive trade for $1,000 here. Massive trade for $1,000 here to the downside. And then another massive trade for $1,000 to finish these 2 off right here. So 4 trades total. You get 1 loss in there. So like you get 4 trades, right? So 4 trades total. You get 1 loss in there. Pushing up off the floor, you get yourself $1,000. Right here, you get this wrong. It pushes down though, so you catch it on the downside. You get yourself another $1,000. Get yourself about to 2,100 right here. Finish it off with the $900 that you need right there. So it doesn't have to be this crazy hard. You don't have to go in and try to max contract this thing. You know, go in 1 contract. It's going to take you $20 worth of movement, or 6 days. 2 contracts. It's going to take you about 3 days. 4 contracts. If you can't get it the same day, it's going to take you about 2 days. And you're just targeting $1,000, and you can go 1 for 1. But normally I go 1,000 to about $750. You know, or I'll go like a $3 loss to a $5 gain, just to make sure that I always keep that window there. But I just literally just signed into a $50,000 account because they're on sale right now, and I passed it in 4 trades from the time of 106 to 117. It took me 15 minutes. These don't have to be hard at all. Just focus on where the market is, where the market is going. And I know when you're seeing your list over here with a lot of negative, it makes you think like, oh, the market's still going down. No, you got to watch and make sure when you start to see these go negative, we're going in a positive direction. If you start to see these be green instead of red, last cents, the cents are green instead of red, we're trending in a positive direction. So even though we're down on the day, we're trending in a positive direction, and you can take massive trades off of that positive direction. It does not have to be super hard to pass these evaluations. You can pass these evaluations in the day that they're offering you. Yes, you can pass them whenever you pass them. The reason that I like passing them in a day is because when you pass or whatever, the reason I like passing them in the day is because when you pass, you can immediately open up your account. Like this one, you can't immediately fund your account. You're gonna have to wait the 7 days or whatever to fund the account, and keep trading from then. But it doesn't take but a day to pass. And then then you get another pullback right here. So it's gonna, today is just a downward day, right? It's gonna give you several opportunities to get in here.